YouTube, what is going on? It's your boy Nicolo. You're watching my barber dreams. We're at the Pittsburgh airport on our way to Tampa. And this one, believe it or not, I'm meeting my idol, Bossio, one of the best barber educators around. I'm gonna get my cut from him. So let's go check in our hotel, get on this flight, see what's up. I'll see you there. So just arrived here at the Hilton where we are staying. A little bit of turbulence on the flight, but it's all good because we just arrived in Clearwater. Man, what a view. So that's how we're living for now. Probably gonna get something to eat real quick because we're starving. Go explore the beach a little bit. Let's go. Well, it's about 85 degrees out here. How's it feel?
Can't get enough.
Look at this little beach
behind you. I just want to jump in this water.
So today is the day. I'm getting my wig split. Super excited. We're on our way. It's about an hour drive from our hotel in Clearwater. It's like right outside Lando Lakes. That's where Headlines Barbershop is, where Bossio and the rest of the crew cuts. But just waking up in this just beautiful like paradise. It's crazy. Look at our views. So we did leave a little bit earlier, so when we get there, we might explore around the area a little bit, maybe get some breakfast. My appointment's at 12:15, so let's get it. All right, we just stopped to get some breakfast here at Kiki's Diner. Pancakes look way too good, so we had to stop, get something to eat. We're super early for my appointment, but let's see what this place has to offer. What is it?
You hear that? Chicken breast omelets.
Really?
Never heard of that in my life.
Well, let's find out more about it. Well, these pancakes are huge. How's yours looking over there? What you got? The omelet.
The omelet and the home fries are smacking.
Wow. Wow. Man, so just got done at Kiki's Cafe. We saw those pancakes. They were huge. Definitely a lot bigger than I thought they were gonna be, but everything was delicious. So we're filled to the brim, man. We still got some time before my appointment, so we're just gonna explore around the area a little bit, and then we'll get to this cut, man. I can't wait. You know, I've been wolfing for this, so I'm excited, man. So like I said, we have a little bit of time to kill before my appointment. So I saw a couple other local shops. I figured I might as well stop in there, get some samples of my product while I'm here, because that was definitely the ultimate goal. So I'll go in there, drop off some companion clay, and you know, give them all my information if they ever want to do wholesale pricing. So let's see what's up with it. All right, we're here at another shop. This is the Faye Barber Shop, and you know, we're giving just probably one sample. You know, give them all my information. Again, if they want wholesale pricing, they reach out to me that way. So yeah, I might hit a couple other local shops and then be on my way to the appointment. So we hit a couple more shops that I just gave some samples to, just killing some time. Now we have arrived at Headlines Barbershop. I'm about to get cut up. I cannot wait. Like, this is the longest my hair has been in 5 years, believe it or not, because I do cut my hair every week. So I'm super excited, one, to meet Bossio and to get cut up by him, and just, man, I just can't wait to get fresh. So let's check this out, man. So we are back at the hotel here, and you can see I am not fresh. I am not cut at all. So there was a misunderstanding. We went to Headlines. I talked to S-Craft Blends, if you know him, my guy Shannon, and I asked if Bossio was in. Turns out I didn't get the confirmation from him, like a phone call, and talked to him on the phone. I got a confirmation through the website and the app, but I guess he was with his family for right now. Luckily, they were really cool about it. Shannon ended up calling Chris. I talked to him myself, and you know, he apologized and said that we could probably set something up before I leave here. So thank God I could still get cut. Hopefully, you know, I'm kind of waiting for him to text back details on when I could go and get a cut. So hopefully we could do that first thing tomorrow or something. Definitely disappointed, but it's all good. We're back here at the hotel, about to hit up the beach or something, so I'll let you know what happens. All right, so we are back at Headlines Barbershop. Like I said, some kind of got screwed up with the appointment. So instead of Friday, we moved it to Monday, 10 a.m. Bossio is the GOAT for getting me in, man. Really appreciate him doing this for me. So told him, or he told me to meet me here at 10. So we are here just waiting. Cannot wait. Like I said, I am hurting beyond belief right now for a haircut. So we're gonna wait for him to get here and we'll check out the shop.
Damn it, Tito. Another one?
All right, so we just got back from my haircut appointment with Chris Bossio, and as you can see, he blessed your boy, he hooked it up. Super cool guy, super genuine dude, just like I thought, man. Just like as you see in his videos, to this day I still think best educator, best barber in the industry. It's so cool to see, you know, we got to talk about what his next plans are, his next moves are for Tomb 45, and just how they're gonna push forward the industry, man. So super dope, man. Like I said, really cool dude, and definitely much needed cut, as you can see. So it was awesome meeting one of my biggest role models. So as you can see, it's still raining here in Clearwater. Has not been the best weather, but at least we still got a couple good days on the beach. So we just made reservations for Carrabba's, which is an Italian restaurant. It's a chain, but it's actually really good. It's a few locations that we've had in other locations of Florida. So super good food, super starving. Can't wait to go check it out. Well, see that, guys? It was super cloudy, raining, like storming for the past 2 days here in Clearwater. Now the day we're leaving, it's beautiful, sunshine, you know, perfect weather. But it's all good. We got our beach days in, so I can't complain. Overall, amazing trip, man. Everything that I wanted to do, I did. Every area that I wanted to check out in the Tampa area, Clearwater area, I checked out. Not to mention, I got cut by the GOAT, Chris Bossio. Being in the presence of somebody like him, it rubs that energy off on you. And I just can't wait to get back at it, man. Get in the shop, grind out, and scale my brand, the outfit, my product line. You know, just keep working, man, and go to more shows, hair shows, take more classes. Just, you know, work on my craft every little bit that I can. And also, if you want to see the full haircut tutorial that Chris did on my hair, you can check it out at his channel at Chris Bossio. check his YouTube out. I'm sure it's gonna be titled Difficult Hair, Pittsburgh Barber, something like that. So make sure you look out for that too. And if you're looking for a good hair clay, you like the way that my hair stands up in these videos, check out my products at theoutfitformen.com. Try out the Compagna clay, our best seller. And don't forget to check out the Torio styling powder that I just came out with as well. It's a great pair with the clay. Check it out on the website. Let me know what you think. I'd appreciate it. I appreciate you watching this video. Thank you so much if you made it this far. But like I said, it's time to go back to the Berg. So make sure you subscribe, hit the bell so you don't miss a video. Follow my Instagram at Barber Dreams by Riggs. And until the next time, I'll see you then.
I can tell you, man, I spent a lot of time with my model here. His name is Nicolo, and he's a barber. At the end of this video, I'll show you, he's gonna show you guys a project that he was working on. And we just had great conversation talking about the industry. He asked a lot of great questions. He's very ambitious out in Pittsburgh and stuff. And so, like, you know, every now and then you get a guy who's an entrepreneur in your chair and stuff, and you end up just talking a bunch, right? And so my steps might be all over the place with this tutorial.
Your brand, man.
Yes, sir. It's the outfit. It's based around the Chicago mob and Al Capone.
The outfit.
Yep.
Dope.
They used to call those guys a Chicago outfit. So each product's gonna represent a different member of the gang. So this right here is the Compagna clay.
Dang,
Based-
real Italian with
Yes,
it.
sir. Yes, sir.